Another day watching for severe weather. I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci, and not only severe weather, but the risk for flash flooding. A flash flood watch is in effect through 6 a.m. for all of South Jersey and really most of New Jersey as a whole here. And this is actually an extension from the flash flood watch we had in effect yesterday. With the potential for heavy rain and stream and creek and roadway flooding, we're leaving it in. And in here are our severe threats. Pretty similar to yesterday. Wind damage and flooded roadways, isolated areas are in the realm of possibility between 6 to 11 p.m. A tornado is not ruled out. And in fact, if you're over in western Atlantic County or western Cumberland County, I would almost put it in that orange category, but I'm not going to do that just yet, and I'll show you why. Here's our satellite. We have a good amount of cloud cover here, but we're still south of the stationary front, which has been hanging around since Sunday. Cooler air to the north of it, humid air to the south of it, and warm air on top of that. Now, we do have a good amount of cloud cover today, and that's why I'm not overly enthused with the severe weather threat. However, it's still something to watch out for. Look at the temperatures. Lots of 70s and 80s here around noontime. More in the realm of 60s once you get into New England with all that cloud cover. It's stabilizing cloud cover. And I'll show you this one more time another way here. Southwesterly winds pumping in that humid and juicy air south of the front. And then north of there, pretty much calm winds. Very stable air here. And what's happening is over time, low pressure systems are riding along this front and they're bringing showers and storms as it does so. We look at our Futurecast for today. Here's our future radar. 4 o'clock showers and storms just in the northern half of the state. Nothing severe here. We are dry, save for a brief spotty shower, but go to 7 p.m. and 10 p.m. You try to see some activity here. Now, models aren't overly enthused with this, and again, I'm not either, just because of the cloud cover we have. The parameters are pretty good, but at the end of the day, you still need something to trigger those. And if you don't have the trigger, you're not really talking about much in the way of severe weather. That being said, showers will be around into the night and going into the first parts of Wednesday morning. Then we look forward in time here. We see the times that it's wet. About 40% of your night will be wet, and about 30% of the day on Wednesday, and a shower and storm is possible at any point. And then we really taper off, and by the time we get to the weekend, we are dry. Let's look at our numbers for you here. Afternoon temperatures in the mid-80s at the mainland areas, upper 70s at the shore. Most of the day is dry again. If you see a shower, it's going to be brief and on the lighter side. Storms after 6 p.m. Look at our graduation forecast. Middle Township brought back a half hour to 3:30. Good idea there. No issues. Under 50% chance of rain for Cumberland Regional and Pleasantville as well. And then we look at Wednesday's graduation. I'm going to say over a 50-50 risk of rain, or at least moving it inside, and that's because we'll have a wet ground to deal with as well. For tonight, thunderstorms or at the very least showers around, turns foggy, late temperatures just about 5 degrees above average, and it will be sticky out there. And again, that severe threat ends at about 10 o'clock. We go into Wednesday, shower and storm possible at any time. Not expecting any severe weather to break out. Just kind of one of those cloudy, muggy days where, yeah, there'll be a couple of areas of rain around. Temperatures closer to seasonable here, cooler at the shore with that southeast wind. Let's take it to our 7-day forecast. Thursday, again, most of the day is dry, but there is a real risk for severe weather here on Thursday. And then as we go into the weekend, we really dry out very nicely here. Low 80s with a good amount of sunshine and lower humidity. See at the shore, temperatures in the 70s. And then we go into Monday, and we'll be bringing back a little bit of that heat with the thunderstorm risk. Coming up on Friday, on the road, we'll be doing our June booms, talking about the May 28th tornado warned storm in western Cumberland County. We will be in Greenwich at 3 p.m. on Friday. And for the latest in South Jersey weather, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram at JoeMartWX, Twitter at HCPressMartucci, or thepressafac.com/weather.